The life cycle of ants is fascinating, and they are among the most organized and hardworking creatures. There are over 12,000 identified species of ants worldwide, and scientists estimate there may be as many as 20,000 species in total. Ants are incredibly diverse, adapting to various environments from rainforests to deserts. Some of the main types, such as carpenter ants, is known for building nests in wood. Another one is fire ants, which is very aggressive ants with painful stings. Leafcutter ants is famous for cutting leaves to cultivate fungal gardens. Army ants is known for nomadic lifestyles and coordinated hunting. Harvester ants is collect and store seeds as their main food source. These types show the incredible adaptability and ecological roles ants play globally. Ants live in colonies and work together to build homes, find food, and protect their community. The type of ant worker, soldier, or reproductive ant is determined partly by environmental factors, diet, and sometimes genetic programming. Ants begin as eggs laid by the queen. The queen can lay thousands of eggs in her lifetime. The eggs hatch into larvae. During this stage, the worker ants feed and care for the larvae. Larvae have no legs and rely on adult ants for food and care. After a while, the larvae enter the pupa stage, where they develop into adults. In some species, pupae have a cocoon, while others don't. This stage is like a transformation period. Once the ant emerges as an adult, its role within the colony is determined. There are generally 3 types of adult ants: workers such as female, soldiers, and reproductive ants like males and queens. Ant colonies have a well-organized social structure. Each ant has a specific role. Worker ants gather food, care for the queen and larvae, and maintain the nest. Soldiers protect the colony, and the queen's main job is to reproduce. Ants communicate through chemicals called pheromones, leaving scent trails for other ants to follow. This communication is essential for organizing work, warning of danger, and coordinating food searches. Worker ants forage for food and carry it back to the nest. They often work together in large numbers, forming lines and sharing the load for large food sources. Many ant species build nests underground. Worker ants dig complex tunnel systems with different chambers for storage, nurseries, and even waste disposal. The structure allows good airflow and keeps the nest cool. Ants move soil and sand grain by grain, creating chambers and passageways. They work tirelessly, moving dirt with their mandibles to keep the nest clean and functional. Some species build intricate homes with chambers and ventilation systems that regulate temperature and humidity. For instance, leafcutter ants build huge underground colonies, while weaver ants build nests in trees by stitching leaves together with silk produce their larvae. Ants are adaptable to various environments, from deserts to forests. They build and maintain their homes regardless of challenges, showing great resilience. When faced with obstacles, ants will find new paths or work together to move debris. If a nest is destroyed, ants can quickly move to a new location and start rebuilding. This adaptability and relentless work ethic contribute to their survival and success across many ecosystems. In essence, ants are a prime example of teamwork, resilience, and dedication. Their ability to work together and their complex social organization allow them to build highly functional homes and support their colonies. Under a microscope, ants reveal intricate and detailed features that aren't visible to the naked eye. The head of an ant appears packed with sensory organs. You'll see large compound eyes, which look like a cluster of tiny lenses. They also have 3 small simple eyes called ocelli at the top of the head for detecting light. Their antennae are segmented and bent, allowing them to sense vibrations, smells, and touch. Ants have powerful mandibles and jaws that look like large, curved pincers under a microscope. These are used for cutting, carrying, and defending. In some species, they even have sharp teeth on their mandibles. The entire body is covered in a hard exoskeleton with segments that are linked together. The exoskeleton has fine textures, with tiny hairs that help the ant sense its surroundings. Under a microscope, these hairs look like bristles or small spines on the body, giving the ant a slightly furry appearance. The thorax appears segmented, and each segment connects to a pair of legs. The legs are thin but strong, with sharp claws at the tips that help ants grip surfaces. Each leg has tiny spines and joints which give the ant flexibility. The abdomen or gaster often looks shiny and smooth under a microscope. In some ants, the abdomen has a narrow connection called a petiole, which gives ants their waist. The abdomen may contain a stinger or specialized glands for producing pheromones. Under magnification, the joints in an ant's body reveal flexible, rubbery-like connections that give ants their flexibility and agility, allowing them to navigate complex paths and uneven surfaces. Ants may look more metallic or have complex colors under magnification, with their exoskeletons reflecting light. Their textures vary across species, some appearing smooth and shiny, while others have rough or matte finishes. These details give us a fascinating view of the specialized adaptations that allow ants to perform their daily activities. Each feature serves a unique purpose, showing the incredible ways ants have evolved to thrive in diverse environments.